High voltage mode for ShockIQ is now available. High voltage mode is designed for those unusual circumstances on very specific lakes that have extremely high inherent voltage. We highly recommend that your dock is evaluated by a licensed lake electrician and deemed safe to go to high voltage mode. High voltage mode now allows the user to go to a 4 volt or a 5 volt threshold. To put your ShockIQ into high voltage mode, simply hit the reset button. The status light will begin to switch between green and red, indicating that it is in reboot mode. It will chirp at your current setting level. And now you're ready to switch to high voltage mode by hitting the test button 4 times for the 4 volt setting. The red light on the front of the box will begin to flash red, indicating that it's searching for high voltage mode. Once that red light is flashing on the front of the box here, you're going to hit the test button again 4 more times. This confirms that you want the 4 volt setting. The ShockIQ will stay in boot mode for 60 seconds. Once that 60 seconds is finalized, you are now in high voltage mode and operational. The setup process is complete. Your ShockIQ unit is now ready to use. To go to the 5 volt setting, follow the previous process that we did on the 4 volt setting. Reset button, go into boot mode. You'll hear the current setting chirps. And then you can now go to setting 5 by hitting the test button 5 times. The red siren light begins flashing, indicating that it's looking for high voltage mode. Confirm it by hitting the test button 5 more times. As you can see, the unit just confirmed the 5 volt setting by chirping back at you 5 times. In 60 seconds, the boot phase will end. It will chirp 5 times one last time to confirm it, and then your unit is operational. In the event that you want to take your ShockIQ back down to a standard threshold, simply hit the reset button. The ShockIQ will begin to chirp at you. It's in the 5 volt threshold phase. Simply go back to the test button, hit it twice to go back to the standard 2 volt threshold. You'll get 2 confirmation chirps. The unit takes 60 seconds to confirm it. It'll chirp twice once more, and your unit is now ready for use. We want to reiterate that it is critical that your dock is evaluated by a licensed electrician before you go into high voltage mode. Your ShockIQ unit is now ready to use.